Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And today we are doing a homemade version of the McDonald's McRib. It is that time of the year, and this sandwich, my sandwich, is amazing, easy, and delicious. Let's go. So I'm starting with some country style ribs. Now you can get boneless or bone in, and then I also have just some hoagie rolls and then some barbecue sauce, my recipe. I'll put it in the description, but you can use any bottle of barbecue sauce, some liquid smoke, salt and pepper, and that literally is it. So I just deboned my ribs, and I'm just gonna pound them out. And y'all, listen, I don't eat the McDonald's McRib because I just don't believe it's real meat. You know what I'm saying? So this is a super easy recipe that you know what you're getting. And I'm just going to take a little smidgen of liquid smoke and rub it down. And I'm going to just salt and pepper. Super simple because there's a lot of flavors and spices in the barbecue sauce. So don't over season your meat. So I'm just going to put it onto a cookie sheet, and then we're going to brush it with the barbecue sauce. So while I do that, use this opportunity to click that subscribe button if you have not already. And thank y'all so much, you guys. I am super happy, you guys. I love getting new subscribers and sharing my recipes with you guys and all the comments. It is so much fun, and I enjoy you guys so much. I really do. So into the oven, 425, and then you baste them again once you pull them out. And don't be alarmed by the darkness, okay? That's just the juice, okay? Because this is real meat, okay? And I'm just gonna brush it one last time and onto the hoagies, and then just simple pickles and onions just like they do. But you know what you're getting, right? So, I mean, you know. And this literally is the quickest and easiest recipe. It took no time at all, but look at this, you guys. Look at how delicious that looks. But hold on, I know what you guys want. Go on and take that bite. There you go, baby. Ooh-wee. So good. So you guys have to try this recipe out. It's an easy weeknight meal. Skip that drive-through, y'all. And hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. And also don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And remember, new recipes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in my new video. Bye, y'all.